Go to masseyfergusonindia.com/dynastar. Select the language of your choice. Scroll down and click to register. Answer the questions to complete step 1 of the registration process. Click on Next to move on to step 2. Enter your mobile number. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. At step 4, fill in your personal details. Congratulations! You've just completed your registration process for the Massey DYNASTAR Contest, Season 2, 2024. But it doesn't end there, you still need to send us your idea. Here's how. Click here to login. Enter your registered mobile number. Verify with the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. At step 1 of the login process, fill in all the additional details. Click on Save and Continue and proceed to step 2. At step 2, upload your idea by clicking on Choose File and selecting the video or document made by you. To finalize your entry for the contest, read the participant information sheet and tick the box. Upon clicking Submit, you've officially entered the Massey DYNASTAR Contest, Season 2, 2024. Our team will get in touch with you shortly. Until then, good luck.